Nice moves, Kens.
Mama.
Ooh, nice. It's tricky.
Mama, this. Mama.
Wow. Good job, Kens.
Mama.
What? Can I see some dance moves?
Huh?
Dance? Can you dance? You're upside down dancing. Is that a break dance?
Mama, this.
You always end up on your head, don't you, Kens?
Mama,
Yeah.
this.
That's awesome. Cool, Kens.
Ooh. Mama, this.
Jumps? Ooh, spin. Careful.
Mama, this.
What's that?
Wow.
Is that a lion?
Yeah. Mama, share.
What's that?
Baby camel.
A baby camel? How do you know what all those animals say? What does a horsey say? What's a doggy say? What's a cat say?
Meow.
What does a birdie say? What does a lion say?
Wow.
What does a bear say?
Wow.
What does a fish say? What does a penguin say? What does a robot say? What does a baby say? What does Kensie say? What does Tessa say? Bye, Kens.